Hi there, I'm Tisha Oman with Paradux Media Group, here to show you how to edit a page in your WordPress website. So the first thing that you're going to do is to log into your website, and from your dashboard you're going to come over here to Pages and All Pages, and then you're going to look for the page that you want to edit. I want to edit my Internet Privacy Policy page, so I'm just going to come over here, and you can see with my mouse I'm going to hover over the page, and it's going to give me this drop-down menu that did not exist before. And there are a few choices here, but the one that I want to play with is the Main Edit button, not the Quick Edit, the regular Edit button. And I'm going to go ahead and click that, and it's going to take me into the Edit dialog on my website. So you can see here I can now play with the title. I have it called Internet Privacy Policy. I think that's a pretty good, pretty descriptive, pretty accurate title for the page. I don't really want to edit that. But what I do want to do is to delete some content and change the formatting a little bit here so that it just looks a little cleaner. So what I'm going to do is in the main body here, I'm going to come on down, and you can see that I've got this semicolon that has come through automatically, which seems a little strange to me. So I'm going to change that to a bullet. So all I'm going to do is come to the line that I have the semicolon on. I'm going to put my cursor right behind the semicolon, and I'm going to backspace out the semicolon. And then this line here has actually broken into two lines, and I want it to be all in the same line, so I'm just going to put in a space, and then I'm going to press my delete key once to bring everything up to the same line. And I'm going to do that for this entire section here, kind of give it a consistent and nice look, and get it a little tidier than it is. So simply just backspacing out the semicolons that are hanging out in there, and putting my cursor at the end, putting in the space, and then deleting anything that's a little funky there. Now, because I got rid of the semicolon on those 4 items, they really do need to be bulleted out. I think that's what the semicolon was meant to do, but it came through funny. So all I'm going to do is highlight those 4 items, and I'm going to come up here and I'm going to press my bullet button, my unordered list button, and it's going to put them all into bullets. And as you can see, that now looks a lot nicer, a lot cleaner, and a little more consistent with the way I might like for it to behave. You can see I have the same problem here. I'm just going to do the exact same thing, back out my semicolons, highlight the text, press my bullet button, and that's going to be tidied up that way as well. Now as I continue to scroll on down here, just looking for additional changes, looks like I needed a period here at the end of this sentence, so I'm just going to put my cursor there, press my period in, and now I have a period and a complete thought as opposed to a partial thought. And just scroll down here to see if there's anything else that I need to change. Everything here looks great, and we are all set to go. So now that I've got all that, all I need to do is send my changes live to the website. And in order to do that, I'm going to look for my publish box, which for me is right down here. You can see it says the publish line here. And what I need to do is just press this update button, and it will send those changes live out to the website. Now it's always a good idea once you do that kind of an edit on your website that you take a look at the page from the front end, from the user's view, just to make sure that everything came through the way that you think that it did. And so I'm going to come up here, you can see it puts up here this yellow line that says page has been updated, would you like to view the page? And I do, so I'm just going to go ahead and click view page, and it's going to take me to the front side of my website, and it's going to let me look at it as a consumer or casual browser on my website would. So you can see now I've got my Internet Privacy Policy here. Instead of those funny semicolons, I have actual bullets, and I am all set to go. So that's exactly what I wanted to do. And I have edited my page, and now you know how to as well. This has been Tisha Oman over at Paradux Media Group showing you how to edit a page on your WordPress website. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.